In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to copy your Facebook profile link on PC or laptop. This is important for easily sharing your profile or someone else's with friends, colleagues, or potential connections, hence facilitating networking and allowing others to interact with you on the platform. I'm gonna use Google Chrome to log into my Facebook. On the home page, simply tap onto your profile name to head to your profile page. It's the first option right here. So guys, here is your profile URL or link. Just go ahead and highlight it. Left click and select on copy. Your Facebook profile link will get copied successfully. You can now share the link in messages, emails, or other social media platforms. This ensures easy access and helps maintain a consistent online presence. That's how easy it is to copy your Facebook profile URL or link on Windows PC or laptop. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.